welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Mikey. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now we try left, right, or middle. Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's go on our second bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our silver-breasted cockatoo, scientific name Kamakua galerina. They inhabit an open woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They are very long birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits, such as durian, papaya, and rambutan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? Now for our next featured birds are just like any married couple, monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime, free to romance, right? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battle. Team Sassy and Rocky are the owner of Greenway Hall, and today they will battle out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before it starts battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me say Sassy, Sassy. How about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Okay, girls, ready? Here's heads up, go. Here's Rocket's first walk, followed only by Sassy. Another walk for Rocky, and Rocky wins. Trainer Rochelle, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it. They want another race. They want another race, Trainer Mark.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
The race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's show all their Sassy to this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time our ring race. Red set, go! Here's Rogan's first hit. Another ring for Rocky. Oh, hey, what's happening? Sassy beat up the two rings in the same time. Oh, there is that. And the winner is Sassy. Trainer Mark, what can you say about that? 3 rings in the same time?
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, you cheated?
No, you didn't cheat. Sassy used your brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Alright, let's for Sassy and Rocky, Trainer Rochelle and Trainer Mark. Parrots are particularly Trainer Mark is already. Go Rocky, so that question for us. Everyone has the first number correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. Oh, I think he's calculating. Come on, Rocky, you can do it. Everyone has the number 3. So 3 plus 10 equals to 13. A round of applause for Rocky. Trainer Mark. So this time, I need an adult bird buddy. But he's also our Malukan cockatoo. Now, Mom, are you ready? Here we go. Here comes Buddy. Buddy flies over. And he gets the money. And flies back. And Big Buddy will donate the money. Out of the Donald. Mom, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Yes, where a little money will go a long, long way, and we are very, very grateful. You may now go back to your seats and enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else? How about 1,000 pesos this time? Anyone? No more? No, Margie, excuse me. Are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. Mom, we're just kidding. It's so far the show. Please come back here in front, and we will give your money back. Mom, God is saying something. Before Buddy gives her money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay? All you have to do is stand right here, look at the camera, and offer your cheek. Wow, sweet! One more. How about on your hand? Just open your palm and look at the camera and smile. And now last, there is your money. Our of our lucky guest. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you met our colorful and
Now let's march. Ready, guys? Up, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 7. This time, could you please join our Silang Sali salute in a count of 3? Everybody to salute and let's make this one loud. People on the ground, are you ready? Come on, guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's go. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Sea lions are also